All right, lovely people. Before we dive in, don't forget, there's a cheeky little link in the description below for a special offer. Go on, give it a click, you know you want to. Now let's talk about something every small business dreams of, saving time and making more sales on Instagram. Sounds good? Well, let me introduce you to ManyChat Instagram automation. It's like having a cup of tea while your business runs itself. So, what is ManyChat? Imagine a super friendly robot who never sleeps, always replies instantly, and never gets your coffee order wrong. ManyChat lets you automate your Instagram DMs, comments, and even stories. No more late-night panic replying or missing a customer just because you were making a brew. Here's how it works. Once you connect ManyChat to your Instagram account, you can set up automated responses for certain keywords or actions. Someone comments info on your post, bam, they get a DM with all the details. Someone slides into your DMs asking for your prices, instantly sorted. You can even hook up menus, mini quizzes, and appointment bookings, all without lifting a finger. But wait, it gets better. You can personalize your messages so customers feel like they're chatting with you, not a robot from 1985. You can segment your audience, send out broadcasts, and even track which messages are converting into sales. It's like having sales superpowers, but without the spandex. Worried about the tech side? Trust me, if you can post a selfie, you can set up ManyChat. There are loads of templates and step-by-step guides, so you can be up and running faster than you can say #blessed. So if you want to spend less time glued to your inbox and more time doing what you love, click that link in the description for your special offer and give ManyChat a whirl. Your future self will thank you and your customers will think you never sleep. Go on, hit that link and let's see your business soar. Cheers.